Assalamu alaikum friends. That was year 2008. SpaceX was at the edge of bankruptcy and Tesla was unable to start its production due to lack of budget. Then two deals saved both companies. What were those deals? What led the company to this situation? And how Elon Musk saved both companies in its hardest time? This video will answer all of these questions. In 2002, Elon Musk sold PayPal to eBay for $1.5 billion, for which he received $165 million. After having this fortune, he could end up his life in peace, but for him, it was just a beginning. So he quickly came up with a plan to send greenhouse to Mars for low cost, specifically for not more than $20 million. Starting the execution of plan, he went to Moscow, Russia, to buy intercontinental ballistic missiles. They are large heavy missiles developed during Cold War and capable of traveling 20,000 km per hour. Those missiles were costing Elon $8 million each, 50% more than the price he set for rockets. So he left the deal and did some rough calculations and found that raw materials of rocket would cost him only 3% of the final sales. Instantly, he concluded that he had to build a vertically integrated rocket company in order to send anything to Mars. So he read some books on rocketry and established Space Exploration and Technologies or SpaceX on March of 2002 in California. Then he started recruiting engineers from Boeing and Lockheed. His ideal choice was young, single, educated and ready to give up their social life for SpaceX. And in an year, he had a team of most intelligent engineers in America who were capable of building literally anything together. The company started working more than 60 hours a week on their first rocket, Falcon 1. Then in 2004, a newly born electric car company was looking for investors. Musk invested $6.35 million in it, making him the largest shareholder and chairman of the board. He applied his experience from SpaceX in Tesla and immediately started hiring, but this time from Apple. Elon Musk's plan was to launch the craft in 2003, but now it was 2006 when finally rocket came near to launch. On 24th March 2006, Falcon 1 lifted up the craft and after traveling in air for 41 seconds, it caught fire due to fuel leakage and fell back on Earth. On the other hand, in July 2006, Tesla's first car Roadster made appearance and very soon got handed pre-orders. At that time, the CEO of Tesla was Martin Eberhard, and like Elon, he also had some unrealistic time frames for the launch of car. But the production was not going smooth, causing the release date to push away. And his mismanagement led him to oust from the company he founded. Now everything was in the hands of Elon. He had to take both companies together. The air turned and now it was time to relaunch Falcon 1. So on 21st March, after many delays, rocket left the ground and traveled 289 kilometers above, but never made it to orbit. Elon Musk referred this day as a good day, not a perfect one, but a good one. Then the toughest year of Elon's life, 2008, arrived.
2008 was brutal. Phew.
SpaceX team was working tirelessly on Falcon 1 and made it third launch ready on 3rd August. But again, the luck was not with the company and the flight was unsuccessful, leaving company with only $9 million and one last chance. The company was now in do or die situation. They reassembled the rocket using available parts and did few minor changes in just 6 weeks. And finally, after 6 years of hard work, Falcon 1 successfully flew on 28 September 2008, taking a non-function boilerplate spacecraft into the low Earth orbit. With this, SpaceX became the first privately funded company to take anything to space. But the danger wasn't over yet, because company was running out of cash and they success would be useless if company went bankrupted. In the meantime, Tesla's production wasn't going good. Elon Musk had already invested $70 million in it, but the company needed more. So he raised $20 million by himself and another 20 by various investors. But that wasn't enough. Now he had a choice to save only one company. His last hope was Daimler, which is now Mercedes-Benz. So to meet the executives of company, he went to Stuttgart, Germany and returned with a promise of executives that they would visit Tesla's factory in November. In this visit, they had to impress the team and Elon Musk planned to convert Daimler's smart car into an EV. Since it was not available in USA, so Chief Technical Officer JB Straubel sourced it from another country. Now the company was left with 5.5 weeks and in this time, the ever-resilient team worked day and night and was able to fit smart car with battery packs and motors. The research head of Daimler visited the factory with his team in November and was really impressed by the effort of company. This impression earned Tesla an investment of $50 million, saving the company and enlightening the production again. But SpaceX was still in danger and it looked like only Tesla is gonna make it. Then on 23rd December 2008, Elon Musk received a call from NASA who gave them $1.5 billion contact, and this was his reaction.
NASA called and told us that we'd won a $1.5 billion contract. And I couldn't even hold the phone. It's like, I just blurted out, I love you guys.
So these two deals with Daimler and NASA saved both companies under the leadership of the Elon Musk. And now SpaceX has a net worth of $150 billion and Tesla is evaluated at $788 million. I hope you like the videos so you can subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.